to get the gumballs out for an hour. It's not working. Come on, come out, come out.
So silly, guys. You have to use a quarter.
What if I give it a good shake? Will it come out?
Of course not, Maria.
What if I press it really hard?
No way, Steffi. I'm sorry.
How do we get them out? Yeah, how?
Let's go get some quarters.
Of course, that's it. Where is the coin? I think it's here. Sorry, Stitch. Sorry, Cat. Sorry, Pikachu. Here it is. I've got the coin.
Not here. Looks not. I need a coin, not a donut. Where's the coin? I got it.
Wow!
It's red. I hope it works too.
Not here. No. Where could it be? Not here. A quarter! Yay! I found it! Oof. Huh? Nothing here. Oh, I remember. I found the coins. This is for you. Thank you, Dasha. We should go now.
Look, guys, I got a red unique coin.
Ivan, you could not use the red one. You need to use this coin.
But it's the same coin, just different color. What will happen? I will get sucked into the machine.
Stop, guys. I want to go first.
Sure, feel free.
Oh, get it out. Purple color. Alex, what flavor is it? I don't know yet, but it smells yummy. I'm next.
Twist, twist, twist.
Ooh. Green color.
I hope it's very yummy.
I want to try.
Wow.
I want to try it right away. It feels like blueberry. My turn now.
Twist, twist, twist.
Great.
They look delicious. I want to try one. I got this red coin.
Such a strange coin.
I think it'll work.
Twist, 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 twist. Where am I? What is this? Where's Ivan? He was just standing here. Yeah, then he disappeared. Ivan, where are you? Am I in a gumball machine? No way. Maybe he ran away and we didn't notice? Yeah, maybe. Let's go and play then. Hey, Maria, Stephanie, I'm here! Please help me! Wait, did you hear that? Yes. I'm right here! Girls, come on! I'm right here! Girls, it sounds like Ivan, but very strange. Did you hear that? Help me! I'm here! Yeah. I'm here.
Ivan, is that you?
I'm here. Bingo! You finally saw me. How did you get there? I don't know. I just put the coin, made a twist, and it just happened.
How can we help you if we don't even know how you got there?
How about you try to get the gumball and I'll just jump out? But we don't have any coins left. Huh? Wait a second. I got a spare one. Lucky. It was a really bad idea.
We got the gumball, but Ivan is still inside. I don't want it.
Okay guys, let's don't do this anymore.
Don't worry, we'll get you back. I promise.
We need to find the same red coin to get him out. Yes, the red coin. Try it. It might work. 1 minute. I've got the key.
Wow! Somebody point! I got it! The red one! Let's hope our plan will work.
Hold on, Ivan. What just happened? Maria's inside too. I have to get them out. I'm inside the gumball machine too? Steffi, help us out!
Guys, are you okay?
You have to try a different color to undo what red coin did. Yeah! Trying to find the blue coin. I have to find the blue coin. Where it is? Nothing here. I need to find the blue coin. Can you open your mouth? Very strange place for a coin, but I have to hurry up. I found the blue coin. This should work. Hooray! 3, 2, 1, twist!
Thank you very much for saving us, Steffi. I'm never going to that gumball machine again. It smells good, but it's so sticky.
I'm so happy you're back. Hey, go away, go away. Go away, go away, go away. No, go away, go away. Just a dream. Scratch, scratch, scratch. I feel much better. Thank you, Grandma. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Go away, 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 go away. Oh no, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Itchy, itchy, itchy. My mosquito bite is so itchy.
Oi, don't worry, Alex. I will put some ointment on it.
Thank you, Grandma. I feel much better now.
Put on a patch.
Mosquito, go away.
So itchy! Mosquito, go away! Mosquito, go away!
Hurry, they flew away.
Itchy, itchy, itchy. So itchy. Oh, I feel so much better. Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
Yes, mosquitoes go away.